It was showdown at the Employment and Labour Relations Court as teachers, the union officials and the Teachers Service Commission appeared before Justice Nelson Abuodha to argue the case over the legality of the nationwide teachers' strike, which has paralysed third-term schooling. Now, the teachers' employer had gone to court to seek an order declaring the strike illegal. Through its senior counsel, Geoffrey Obura, TSC maintains that the teachers' strike is illegal as no notice was issued. In the submission, Obura argued that the strike notice issued in January cannot apply now since the ongoing industrial action is new.
And number one, your brother Justice Ndumanderi specifically stated in the proceedings that the strike which commenced on January 5th was called off. For the avoidance of doubt, the teachers were to report to work on 19th, which was a Monday.
According to TSC, the ongoing strike is a violation of children's rights and freedoms to education and wants the court to suspend the strike and teachers to resume duty with immediate effect. TSC further wants the court to issue prohibitory orders restricting NAT Secretary General Wilson Sossion and his Kuppet counterpart Akelo Misori from inciting and calling the members to participate in the strike.
So this strike is to compel the petitioner to pay the teachers money which they know they won in a court action. In simple terms, the teachers are using the strike as an execution tool to execute the judgment.
Teachers' unions, however, oppose the TSC application, arguing that the boycott was as a result of TSC's failure to honor the court's decision on the 50 to 60% pay hike. Teachers, through their lawyers Paul Mwite, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi and Kyoko Kilukumi, have told the court that they will only resume work if the dues are paid as directed by the courts.
We request the parties involved in this matter to avoid putting too much heat on it by issuing threats either side, whether by demonstrations or something, or by dancing on the street while this matter is still pending before the court. The dances may be entertaining, yes, because you're not working at the moment, but they don't give a very good picture of respect for the court when a court is determining your dispute.
Teachers' unions want the Labour Relations Court to dismiss TSC's application, saying it has abused the court process by failing to implement the court ruling that awarded teachers a pay hike. According to teachers' lawyers, TSC wants to use the same court to overturn Justice Ndumanderi's ruling, which favoured teachers.
Teachers Service Commission and the government of the Republic of Kenya, what are they seeking to achieve in the petition before your lordship?
My lord, is the petition before the court a collateral attack on the decision by your brother Justice Matthews Nderi Nduma and the judgment he delivered on 20th June 2015?
Possible.
Mine will be as
During the court hearing, Justice Nelson Abuodha directed the TSC to stop issuing threats to striking teachers and await its ruling on the legality of the strike on Friday next week. Now, Justice Abuodha also warned teachers against holding demonstrations. He further declined TSC's request to have interim orders to have teachers resume duty immediately.
That the conduct of the petitioner to decide when to obey a court order, when to file a fresh suit despite the fact that it has not obeyed the first court order, paints a very scary, a very frightening scenario. My lord, it informs the first respondent and other lesser mortals that the rule of law is equal to a favorable judgment in favor of the government and its surrogates.
shall never be divided.
Early this month, Justice Monica Mbaru had declared the teachers' strike unprotected but refused to declare the strike illegal.